Did you know that actresses Emma Watson and Angelina Jolie, NBA superstar LeBron James, tennis champion Novak Djokovic, among others, highlight the growing trend of mindfulness and meditation in various fields? They emphasize its importance for mental health, focus, and overall well-being. A survey found that about 14.2% of adults in the U.S., or over 47 million individuals, practiced meditation, including mindfulness meditation. This is a significant increase from the 4.1% reported in 2012. This video is perfect for anyone looking to find peace of mind and emotional balance. It's a cool, deep dive into how mindfulness can make your daily life more fulfilling. Let's find out the power of presence and discover mindfulness meditation. Join us as we explore: what is mindfulness meditation? How does mindfulness meditation work? Benefits of mindfulness meditation, mindfulness in daily life, mindfulness in modern society in 2024, benefits of body scan technique and practice. What is mindfulness meditation? Mindfulness meditation is a practice with a rich history and widespread application in modern wellness and therapeutic practices. Let's review the highlights. Ancient roots in Eastern traditions. Mindfulness meditation has its origins in ancient Hindu, Buddhist, Zen, and Taoist traditions, deeply rooted in spirituality and contemplative practices. Bridge between spirituality and science. Today, it bridges the gap between spirituality and science, transcending cultural and religious boundaries and finding application in modern therapeutic practices globally. Secular adaptation in modern psychology and healthcare. From its traditional roots, mindfulness has evolved over the centuries, significantly influenced by key figures like Dr. Jon Kabat-Zinn with his mindfulness-based stress reduction program. Its secular adaptation has led to its integration into psychology and healthcare. Universal application in various fields. In the contemporary world, mindfulness is recognized as a scientifically backed approach. It's widely used in corporate wellness programs, educational institutions, and therapy, praised for its universal benefits. Enhancing mental and physical well-being. The practice of mindfulness meditation is acknowledged for enhancing both mental and physical well-being, helping individuals to cope with stress, improve focus, and foster emotional balance. Focus on present moment awareness. The practice involves focusing attention on the present moment, observing thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. This helps in developing a deep connection with the present, countering our tendency to dwell on the past or the future. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Let's continue. How does mindfulness meditation work? Mindfulness meditation operates through a variety of mechanisms, fundamentally changing how the brain functions and processes information. Here are the key points you should know. Focus on the present moment. Mindfulness meditation trains the brain to concentrate on the present. This is crucial because our minds often drift to past experiences or future worries. By focusing on the now, mindfulness counters this tendency. Attention to breath, body, and surroundings. Practitioners of mindfulness meditation pay close attention to their breathing, physical sensations in their bodies, and their immediate environment. This practice enhances the connection with the present moment. Neuroplasticity and brain changes. Neuroscientific research has revealed that mindfulness meditation leads to neuroplastic changes in the brain. This means that the practice can reshape and increase gray matter in crucial areas of the brain, demonstrating our brain's capacity to adapt and evolve through regular mindfulness practice. Improved cognitive and emotional regulation. By promoting self-awareness and acceptance of experiences, mindfulness enhances the ability to regulate cognitive, emotional, and behavioral responses. This can lead to better decision-making, emotional stability, and reduced reactivity to stress. Increased self-regulation. The heightened self-awareness that arises from consistent mindfulness practice plays a critical role in self-regulation, helping individuals respond to situations more thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. Emotion regulation through extinction and reappraisal. Mindfulness meditation is believed to aid emotion regulation through processes like extinction, reducing the power of negative emotions, and reappraisal, reframing thoughts. This contributes to an overall sense of emotional balance and well-being. In summary, mindfulness meditation works by refocusing the mind on the present, leading to significant changes in the brain's structure and function and improving cognitive and emotional regulation. These effects underscore the profound impact of mindfulness on mental health and well-being. Benefits of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation offers a myriad of benefits, as supported by various studies and research. Here they are. Stress reduction. Regular meditation practice is known to decrease stress significantly. It also improves symptoms of stress-related conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and fibromyalgia. Improved memory and mental clarity. Meditation aids in enhancing focus, which in turn increases memory and mental clarity. This is particularly beneficial in combating age-related memory loss and dementia. Enhanced attention span. Meditation helps in improving attention span, enabling individuals to maintain focus for longer periods. Increased willpower and discipline. Regular practice of meditation helps develop the mental discipline needed to avoid unhelpful habits, contributing to enhanced willpower. Better sleep. Meditation can shorten the time it takes to fall asleep and improve overall sleep quality, making it a valuable tool for those struggling with insomnia. Pain management. Meditation can be effective in reducing pain and enhancing emotional regulation, making it a useful adjunct in the treatment of chronic pain. Lower blood pressure. Regular meditation practice can lead to decreased blood pressure, which reduces strain on the heart and blood vessels, helping in the prevention of heart diseases. Reduced anxiety. Those who practice meditation regularly report lower levels of anxiety, including reductions in social anxiety, fears, and obsessive-compulsive behaviors. Decreased depression. Meditation practices have been shown to reduce the occurrence and severity of depression. Greater compassion. Meditation can foster an increased understanding of oneself, leading to greater compassion and positive actions towards others. These benefits, ranging from psychological to physical health improvements, underline the effectiveness of mindfulness meditation as a comprehensive tool for enhancing overall well-being. Mindfulness in daily life. Here are the pivotal aspects how mindfulness can be incorporated into daily life, transforming ordinary activities. Integrating mindfulness into daily activities like eating and walking can transform these ordinary actions into moments of increased presence and awareness. This deepens engagement with everyday experiences. Starting with simple exercises, begin with a few minutes of daily mindfulness exercises. Focusing on your breath and observing thoughts without judgment is a good start. This can be a foundation for gradually integrating mindfulness into daily routines, cultivating a sense of continuous presence. Personalization and consistency. Tailor your mindfulness practice to fit your lifestyle. Whether it's during a quiet morning or a busy workday, find times that work best for you. Consistency is crucial for the practice to be effective. Mindful breathing. Throughout the day, take moments to focus on your breathing. This simple act can center your thoughts and bring you back to the present moment. Mindful listening. Engage in active listening during conversations. This means fully concentrating on what is being said rather than passively hearing the speaker. Mindful eating. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food. Eating mindfully can enhance the dining experience and can aid in better digestion and satisfaction with meals. Mindful walking. While walking, concentrate on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your stride, and your surrounding environment. This practice can be a form of moving meditation. Mindful observation. Choose an object from your surroundings and focus on watching it for a minute or two. This exercise helps to connect with the present moment and can be a calming experience. Mindful awareness in routine activities. Apply mindfulness to routine activities like showering, brushing teeth, or commuting. Observing these routine actions with full attention can turn them into mindfulness practices. In summary, mindfulness can be incorporated into daily life through simple, intentional practices that bring awareness and presence to ordinary activities. These practices help in cultivating a more mindful approach to life, enhancing overall well-being and mindfulness. Mindfulness in modern society. Mindfulness has become increasingly significant in modern society, affecting various aspects of our lives. Here are some key points highlighting its impact and relevance. Widespread incorporation in workplaces. Mindfulness programs are being increasingly adopted in workplace settings. These programs aim to reduce stress, enhance productivity, and improve employee well-being. Global online meditation events. The rise of online meditation events and platforms has made mindfulness practices more accessible to people worldwide, demonstrating its global appeal and integration in daily life, integral to holistic health and well-being. Mindfulness is recognized as a crucial component of holistic health. It's not just a mental exercise, but a practice that benefits overall well-being. Combining mindfulness with physical activities. Research, such as studies by the University of Bath, has shown the benefits of combining mindfulness with physical activities. This approach emphasizes its role in enhancing both mental and physical health. Integration with technology. In 2024, mindfulness is increasingly integrating with technology. From apps to virtual sessions, technology is making mindfulness practices more accessible and tailored to individual needs, evolving nature and enduring relevance. The way mindfulness is practiced and perceived is continually evolving. Its enduring relevance in modern society underlines its effectiveness in addressing contemporary challenges. Broad appeal across different sectors. Mindfulness appeals to a wide range of individuals, from students and professionals to athletes and artists. This broad appeal is a testament to its versatility and effectiveness. Impact on education and learning. Mindfulness practices are being integrated into educational settings to help students focus, reduce anxiety, and enhance cognitive abilities. Role in healthcare. In the healthcare sector, mindfulness is used as a complementary approach to treat various conditions, including stress, anxiety, chronic pain, and heart disease. Community and social connection. Mindfulness also fosters a sense of community and connection, as seen in group meditation sessions and mindfulness-based community programs. In conclusion, as we explore mindfulness in 2024, its integration with various facets of life, from technology to healthcare, and its broad appeal across different sectors underscore its evolving nature and enduring relevance in modern society. Remember to engage with content that explores the transformative power of mindfulness to stay updated on its benefits and applications. Before moving on to the practical part of mindfulness meditation, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Benefits of body scan technique and practice. Body scan meditation technique is particularly essential in mindfulness meditation, especially for beginners, for the following reasons. Ease of practice for beginners. The body scan is straightforward and easy to follow, making it an ideal starting point for those new to meditation. It guides practitioners to focus on each body part sequentially, which helps in maintaining attention and not getting overwhelmed. Develops mind-body awareness. This technique fosters a deep connection between the mind and body. Beginners learn to notice and acknowledge bodily sensations, both comfortable and uncomfortable, which is a fundamental aspect of mindfulness practice. Enhances concentration and focus. By directing attention to different parts of the body scan helps in developing concentration. This focus on the present moment can be a valuable skill for beginners to cultivate, which can be applied to other areas of mindfulness practice. Promotes relaxation and stress relief. The body scan is effective in reducing stress and promoting relaxation. As beginners learn to notice tension and release it, they can more easily find relaxation, not only during the meditation but also in everyday life. Foundation for advanced mindfulness practices. Starting with a body scan can lay a solid foundation for more advanced mindfulness practices. As beginners become comfortable with this technique, they can explore deeper aspects of mindfulness with greater ease and understanding. We now invite you to experience 12-minute body scan meditation in the beach. Please click on the link to the right and savor a guided body scan meditation session designed to enrich your practice.